Hello children, today I am going to show you how to convert binary to decimal. In previous session we had learned about how to convert decimal to binary. Now this session I am going to tell you about how to convert binary to decimal. So first I am going to show you two methods. So first I am going to show you number 1. In the first method, simply you have to write like this: 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So, and now you are confused how it's came. So I am going to show you how it's came. So 2, 0. Now I am going to increase the power. 2 to the power 1 square q and 4, and now you can increase also like 32 also. If you are going to solve this, like 2 square, that mean 4. Q of 2 will be 8. 2 4 will be 16. 2 4, that mean 2 multiply 2 then 2. You already know about this. So I am going to solve this and then we will find this one. So simply you can write this. Now I am going to show you how to convert. Suppose I have a binary, first question is there, the binary number which I have to convert in decimal, that is 1101. So that is my binary number which I am going to convert. So now I am going to show you. First you have to write this one. First 1 you have to write below 1. Then 0, write 0. 1 write here, and this one you have to write here. Okay. So now this is my binary. Okay. And now this is my base of binary, and this is the binary number which I am going to convert. So you have to write like this. Now, how can we solve? First, you have to write 8 plus 4. If the value is true, that means 1. If the value will be 1, if value is true, then you have to write this number. If value is 0, no need to write this number. No need to add this number. If the value is false, only the value will be, value is true, then you have to write these numbers. So 8 plus 4 plus, no need to write this. Only you have to write this 1. So what will be the answer? 13. Very good. So the answer will be 13. Okay, clear? Now I'm going to show you another example. Suppose I have a second number which is greater than this. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now I have these numbers which I'm going to convert you. So how it's possible? You have to write all 4 below the 8, 4, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. And now I'm going to add this number again, 8 plus 4. I'm going to add this all because all is true this time. No one is false. So I have to add all. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So that will be your 13, 4, 15. So that will be your 15. Clear? So this is the first method how to convert a binary to decimal. Now I'm going to show you the second method. I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to show you the second method. In the second method, suppose the numbers is there 1001. This I have to convert into the decimal. So first thing you have to write this one first. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. So number is 3. So multiply with 2 power 3 q plus write 0, second number. And what is the numbers? 0, 1, 2. So multiply with the base of 2. Okay. Now again plus write this one 0 again. And what is the number? 0, 1. So write 2, 1 plus write last 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 because the number is 0. So then you have to solve this. 1 2 power q, that will be your 8. 8 multiply 1 will be 8 plus, if you multiply any number with 0, then it will be 0. Same here, any numbers you can multiply with 0, that will be a 0. And 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. So this is your 9 decimal. You can write like this. This is the base of the decimal, and you can also write binary like this. This is the base, 2 is the base of the binary, so you have to write like this. Otherwise, no issue, you can simply write like this. Basically, numbers we are writing without base. So it will be 9 in the decimal. So I'm going to show you again this method. Simply I'm going to take another example of this. Okay, take another example which is 1 0 1 1. Okay, so now I'm going to convert this. So first thing what you have to do, simply you can write 2 power 0 to base 1 2 square 2 cube. Write like this in the binary. Now it will be simple. How? I'm going to show you. Write only 1, multiply with this 2 power cube, plus write 0. We have to multiply with 2 power square. Okay, then plus 1, multiply with 2 power 1. And last one, 1 multiply with 2 power 0. So now it's simple now. You have to write like this. And then it's easy to solve. 2 whole cube, that means 8. If you multiply with 0, it will be 0. 2 power 1, that means 2. 2 multiply with 1, it will be 2. And 2 power 0 will be 1. And 1 multiply 1 will be 1. So 8 to 10 plus 11. So it will be 11. Clear? Hope you understand. But if you're finding any difficulty, you can comment me. Otherwise, I will solve this. I will solve in the next session. Okay. Bye bye.